playing outside next. What are we doing? What's this? What's this one?
Crazy guy.
Table time.
Piano.
What's this? What's this?
Music.
What you go look up here? What's this one?
The reading.
No. What are they doing here? Not small groups. It looks like a small group, but it's meeting.
Reading.
And then we're going to eat.
Breakfast.
Yep, breakfast. And then we're going to do reading. Our book isn't there. It's confusing. We're going to do reading. And do you remember what this is? What we do on Friday?
Fun Friday.
Fun Friday's here. Yeah.
Yes.
And remember we do a second steps lesson, right? And then
Outside.
you got that one down.
Second steps.
What's that one?
Role play.
Role play. And then we're going to eat snack. And then we're going to.
Go home.
Hey.
Excellent. These are the important ones. Outside and go home. Okay, it makes noise. We'll count each other one by one and put them in a row. What's inside, Poop? No, start with one. One. Good.
Good job.
3. You were right. 3, 4.